In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an image in Photoshop. So there's a few ways to do this. First of all, you can just go over to the right here on the layer that it's on, right click it, and go up to duplicate layer. Now it's going to ask you what document you want to do it on. If you leave it blank, it will just stay on this one. Now you can see it's created a new layer, and if you click, you can then drag it across and you've got another one. Now something else you could do is you can go onto this tool here, select it, and duplicate layer that way. Now lastly, if you want to select a certain part of the image and duplicate it, you could go to something like the lasso tool, like this. That will create that circle. You can right click it, and then you can layer via copy. Now if I remove these, you can see that's made that there. Now you can do Control C and V, and that's Control C, and then paste is Control V, so you've pasted a new layer. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.